love looking for examples of structure support in every time frame in every market. And here we're looking at the E-mini S&P on a 144 tick chart. And we see that the market comes up and bangs its head once and twice on this level right here. Old resistance becomes new support. The market then comes up and does what? Retraces back to old support now and does what? Launches up into a new high. So now we have, if we tell the story, what? New support where? Here. So the market can pull back on a retracement to old structure support. So when we took out this high, old resistance becomes what? New support, like a step. And if you're a scalper, that's especially of importance to you, because you can look for what? Old support and new resistance. We can also use our Fib retracement tool and see that that in fact is what? A 62 retracement. And we can get long at 1,000 quarter, 102 quarter, get our 4 ticks and get out. So plenty of examples of old support becoming new resistance. Here's an example here. We'll tell the story. Lower high, lower low, lower high, and then what? Retest of this old structure low. And then what does it do? It breaks through. Where does it go to? Use your Fib extensions. There's the 162. Now, what does the market do afterwards? What do we expect it to do? Comes back up. Well, where did it come up to? Prior structure support and resistance. Well, were there any key fibs involved in there? Let's use our retracement tool. Where was the 62? At 2 quarter. Where was prior support or resistance? At 2. So you had a quarter point zone of high probability resistance. And then the market gets short again at 2 and drops back down and does what? Retests old support. Not once, not twice, 3 times. Okay, and then does what? Comes back up, retests this level from here one more time, gets 2 ticks past it, and falls. Well, again, tell the same story. Where do we expect new support? Use your Fib extensions. When we break the low, where do we expect to see support come in? Use your tool. Draw the line. 162. Where do we expect the market to retest? On and on and on. There's absolutely no reason why you can't study this at home. Go through, draw the lines, read your chart like you're reading a book. Old support becomes new resistance. Old resistance becomes new support. When lows and highs are taken out, use your extension tool to draw. Look at the 27 and the 62 for support. You will be surprised at how often the market comes in and rallies again. Simply go to ratiotrading.com. Scroll down to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the guest link. Once the page changes, be sure to go to the coupon box to enter number 618, enabling you to take this trial for free. Then simply put your first, last name, and email address in the proper boxes. Scrolling down, you'll see an area that allows us to learn a little bit more about you. But if you don't want to share that information, that's okay too. Scroll down to the bottom and click Submit to receive your registration email and confirmation logon instructions.